G, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. The boy is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, I see what I do today, man. You don't know. Yo. You don't know it's an Eddy G season. Yeah, man, gang. The artists are tough, man. The artists are born up road. The man are full of vibes. You see me, I say. Also, check out live later. We're going to check out his interview and all this good stuff. But yeah, man. Eddy G Bomba. We're back with another one. Yeah, last one we did was a cesspool. And what else? What else we did from Eddy G Bomba, bro? We did cesspool and what? What else we did from Eddy G, bro? Yeah, man. Eddy G Bomba, but we did cesspool and what else, man? This one was also requested by one of the Dan Mafia members, man, but I can't find y'all names. I was looking for your comment to give you a shout out, but big up your damn self. We also did drip. You see me, I say, me not lie. Eddy, I go on. Eddy, it's an Eddy G season, bro. The man vibes and style, bro. I have high hopes for this artist. You see me? This man can go far, bro. You see me? I say him style and swagger and change up the man bringing drip and swagger and style and fun in the music. We like it. And he got a little chopping on them thing there night too. You see me? I say, but today we got formula. We're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. I don't know what up the vibes, Shanga gang. You see me? I say, but before we jump in, make sure you're staying prayed up. You got in life. Make sure you're taking steps towards your dream every day. You see me? I say, anything you want in life, you can get it. So go for it. You see me? I say, oh yeah, I jump right in the chat. Eddy G Bomba formula. Let's get it.
Big time bossy, millions of flip fine sushi. Big 4-5 fish and run. Bust them from wrist and rolling.
Come on, bro, this man's style, bro. You know me feel. But how a song start up. You see me? The intro of a song is very important, bro. You can tell when a song I got fire, bro. You see me? And this right, that's gonna like it, I got fire, bro.
Big time bossy, millions of flip fine sushi.
Yeah.
Big 4-5 fish and run. Bust them from wrist and rolling. Rich and bossy, I could spaceship, but bitch I know it.
Come on, man, Bomba. Richard Bossy, bro. Come on. Come on. This nigga full of swag, dog. Yo. Eddy, this video better fire. This song better.
Rich and bossy, millions of flip fine sushi. Big 4-5 fish and run.
Rich and Bossy, million with flip and sushi. Come in.
Bust them from wrist and rolling. Rich and bossy, I could spaceship, but bitch I know it. Some big boy rolling, sick COVID, hands kill like COVID.
Oh, big bad rope. Some big boy rolling, sick hands kill like COVID. And that did I say a while ago.
Some big boy rolling, sick COVID, hands kill like COVID.
Man say big boy rolling, sick COVID, dance kill like Kobe. Bro. Hold on. We have to take this one top. We have to take this one top. Come on, that's it. Come on, run it. That's it.
Millions of flip fine sushi. Big 4-5 fish and run. Bust them from wrist and rolling. Rich and bossy, I could spaceship, but bitch I know it. Some big boy rolling.
Spaceship, bad bitch I try no way. Big boy rollings. Come on.
COVID hands kill like Kobe. Tell her to come here at the formula. My job the beast off, no one from my pocket. My lift on the Ross villa. Rich and retarded. Every chop on your artist.
Rich and retarded, brother. Hey, come in.
They never pay me for perform yet. That Gucci for my garment.
Oh, yeah, chop on your artist. They never pay me perform yet. Come in, man.
The diamond a dance like a carnival. The bang a chance like a call me. Me can't stay one place that I slow me down. Half fat freak man skate. Make 12 but not dark. Me just left down there watching now. That's it. Hey, yeah, man, I say, man, the bang a charge like a calm me.
Talk to them, Eddy. Eddy G. Hey.
Me can't stay one place that I slow me down. Half fat freak man skate. Make 12 but not dark. Me just left down there watching now. Hennessy pour I come mix it sauce I rum.
Nah. This man going crazy, bro. Eddy GC. No.
That toast a cup. When a post status. Full of lone venom. Like a cobra tongue. Skull of 4 tacos. Drop a port a ground, I'm just can't wait. Dropping beats, got can't skip.
Go easy no man, yo, me just can't wait. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 can't skate. Come in.
I'm just can't wait. Dropping beats, can't skip.
Oh, I'm tuning, man. Live life, young niggas. Live life, young niggas. I'm to them.
I just can't wait. Dropping beats, can't skip.
I'm to them, bro.
I'm done some money. As I wait, me have skull pan charges. Me catch me luck, me have to run from sadness. Drop it out the beast, pan the ground like carpet.
When man say me just me have to run from sad. Weird. Eddy, no found artist have got park up. It's a Eddy G season. I'm to them, man. It's a Eddy G season, man. We get to call it here. I'm to them, man. Eddy, do the. Come in, do the.
I'm done some money. As I wait, me have skull pan charges. Me catch me luck, me have to run from sadness. Drop it out the beast, pan the ground like carpet. Yeah, some dungeon darkness. Remember the days when I broke and have it.
Some dungeon darkness. Remember the days when me broke and have it. Come
in. Catch a good number and call it. Rich boy, mama come from market. I'm just can't wait. Dropping beats, can't skate.
Oh, up to them, man.
I'm just can't wait. Dropping beats, can't skate.
Eddy. Live life out here, niggas. Come on, get do what you can't do. Don't follow nobody. If I beast, I can't get a house, I can't get where you can't get out here. Come here.
I'm Jambisco. Millions of flip on sushi. Big 4-5 fish and roti. Bust down on wrist and rolling. I'm Jambisco, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 bad picture, know me.
Oh, I'm here, my crispy. Come in, man. Eddy, yo, no found artist, no go park up, bro. No time up. You see me, no found enough to go park up. Eddy is out. Come in.
Some big boy rolling, sick COVID, hands kill like Kobe.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, man. Eddy.
Picture this. You're sitting at home alone.
Yeah, man, that is it. Eddy. Yeah, man, that's it. Yeah, man, that's how you do it. That's how you do it right there, bro. Man, mash up that. How they redeem the nigga gang? Let me know they redeem the dog. You see me and say, Eddy G season, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I go far in the game, bro. Eddy just keep up the style, I keep getting better. Just keep up the consistency. Hey, we got more coming, man, gang. Let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. You see me? If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Like you know, say, yo, the dance anyway. You see me, I say? And let me know what's your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You see me, I say? What else? Yeah, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let me know, gang. Let's chop it up. Let's keep it going. You already know. I appreciate the love and support. Yeah, we 700 away. 700 away from 7K subs, and we 3,000 away from 10K. Happy we get it 10K before the before January. Help me get the band birthday again. That'll be the best birthday, New Year's and birthday gift. No, can give me to 10K. I appreciate y'all, man. You see me, keep hitting the like and subscribe and comment. I appreciate how active you guys are. I understand I've been away for a little bit. Was going through a little bit of issues and throwing out some stuff, but I'm back active right now. When I get videos and I go on how I go on. You see me, I say, but yeah, man, gang. The next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. You see me, I say, yeah, man, gang. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.